everyone, this video is going to show you how to use assistants in School AI. And as a reminder of our previous video, assistants is like ChatGPT specifically for teachers. So when you are in School AI, you just locate assistants on the top, and here we'll have some assistants that you can use. They're very specific based off of what you want to accomplish. When you click on the chat feature, it will open this up and you have the ability just to chat with it just like Google Gemini or ChatGPT. Okay, so this one's called Essay Grading Assistant, so I have a few examples that I wanted to provide. The first one is I had a writing example. I just had some really bad writing example I had created. I also have an essay rating rubric to use. So for this example, I'm just going to open the one that I already created. I'm going to start from the beginning. I just said I'm grading a persuasive essay. That's great. It gave me a response. I uploaded my essay rubric, so there's an uploaded file area where you could do this. I noticed that the link is interesting, it doesn't work too well, so you just use Google Drive to sync that up and add that rubric. It provided me my rubric, that's great. And then I gave it my doc, so essentially I did the same thing. I uploaded, here's the doc that I want to submit. So I uploaded a file, went to Google Drive, and then I just uploaded my persuasive writing example, which we just talked about a second ago. And then bam, it just blasted through that exact same document, providing me the score and some feedback based off of the areas that it provided and an overall feedback. Now keep in mind when you're using something like School AI or anything that's AI related, review your information to see if it's exactly what you would like it to be. Now that's one. The other thing I did was a text-based method, so I didn't use any files. So I said I'm grading a persuasive essay. That's awesome. You said, do you want to create a rubric for me? Of course. So create a rubric out of 100 points. It didn't go into great detail. It did it for me. So it said thesis statement, argument, organization, all this fun stuff, and it broke it down by points. Just like in any AI chatbot, you could say, please make it this points, change these points. It will do that for you, which is really nice, but I just kept it as. Then I took my persuasive example, I just dropped it in here, say please grade this, and bam, there it went. It automatically gave me my criteria in the score based off of what I utilized here in my overall score. And what's kind of cool is it gave me some feedback, so it broke it down based off of that. It did it instantaneously. Now, as I mentioned, and I recommend this, is when you do use this, make sure that you are paying attention to what you put into this, because you're giving away some information, but also more importantly, even though it's efficient for you, ensure that when you're doing this, you are reviewing what it is providing for you so that it is the exact feedback you want to provide your students. Anyway, awesome tech tip, try it out.